Hi everyone, in this class I'll explain how to perform multilinear regression using LINEST function available in Excel. So in this example, I have the performance of an engine based on four parameters. So that is four independent variables. The dependent variable which we are targeting is the fuel efficiency. Fuel efficiency of the vehicle varies with the engine size, vehicle weight, tire pressure, average speed. So these are the four parameters which are affecting the fuel efficiency. So here I have few data showing the performance of the engine based on these parameters. Now to use the LINEST function without additional regression parameters, we need 5 cells, 5 columns and a single row. So predicted equation will be of the form y is equal to a0 plus a1x1 plus a2x2 plus a3x3 plus a4x4. You are going to get a linear relationship based on these four values, four independent parameters. So each independent parameter you will get a coefficient plus a constant part. So the equation is of this form. Now we need to find out a0, a1, a2, a3 and a4. I listed these 5 coefficients here. So we require 5 columns and a single row to use the LINEST function without additional regression parameters. So you can select these 5 cells, then you can type equal to LINEST function. Now you need to select the known y values. So here you have known y values and then comma known x values. All the x values, that is independent parameters, you can select, comma you have to select true for constant part, not to set to 0. So I'll select true. Then the last part I need to type false because I don't want additional regression parameters. So you can write false, then close the bracket. Then after that you have to press Control Shift Enter. So you will get all the coefficients. So here I have rounded all the coefficients with 4 decimal places. Now to get the additional regression parameters, you require 5 rows and 5 columns. So you need to select, I have already marked that 5 rows and 5 columns. You select these cells and type equal to LINEST. Select LINEST. Select the known y values, comma known x values. You can select all of them together without the caption, comma you need to give true for not to set the constant part to 0. So you can give true, then even additional regression parameters you require, so you can give true, close the bracket, then press Control Shift and Enter. Holding the Control Shift key, press Enter key. So you are getting all the additional regression parameters. Some of the data here, it is not applicable. You cannot remove it. You can make it white background. So these are the data which you are getting, these coefficients you are getting. So apart from these coefficients, I am getting additional data like the standard error involved in calculating these coefficients and R square value and the rest of the things which I have already explained in the previous video. Now, these are the additional regression parameters along with the coefficient. So now you can use these coefficients to predict the engine performance. So suppose you need to find out the engine performance for a given set of data, that is, you can use these coefficients to calculate that. But you can note down that these coefficients will be coming in a reverse order. The coefficient of x4 will be coming first, and then coefficient of x3, coefficient of x2, then coefficient of x1, then last one will be the constant part. So if you have to get the predicted value here equal to this constant part, constant plus a1 x1. a1 is coming here. Okay, it will be coming in the reverse order. Here x1 to x4. Here you will get a4 to a1. So it will be in the reverse order. So after adding constant, you can select a1 into x1. x1 value, I am going to type x1 here. x1, x2, x3, x4. So I'll select this cell a1 x1 plus a2 into x2 is here plus a3 into x3 plus a4 into x4. So that will give the predicted value of fuel efficiency. Now you need to fill the data. Whatever data you are filling, it will calculate using these coefficients. These coefficients it will calculate. It will predict the value of y. Let us use this available data to predict the value. Let me copy this and paste it here. So you are getting 13.1. So the predicted value is 13.1. So I'll use a different say speed. You are getting the predicted value. This is how you perform multilinear regression in Excel using the LINEST function. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video.